Gogu, I really enjoy coding. Can you give me an assignment? Something fun?
Sure, Adi. How about creating a simple calculator? It should perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division for two numbers.
That sounds exciting. I'll give it a try. First, I need to get two numbers from the user.
Great start. What's next?
Now I'll write expressions for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.
Looks good, but don't you think converting x and y with eval every time is unnecessary?
You're right. I need the numbers in numeric form only once. I should convert them at the beginning. I got it. I'll store the converted values in separate variables like this.
Wow, that's much better. Now let's display the results.
Sure, here's how I'll print them. Okay, I'm ready to test it out. Yay! It works perfectly. I can't wait to show this to my friends and teacher. Hey Kaylin, Eve, I created a calculator. Want to see?
Wow, Adi, this is amazing. But what's with the eval input everywhere?
That's to convert text input to numbers. Otherwise, the computer won't understand math.
Hey, where are the comments? You forgot them.
Oops, good catch. I'll add comments right away.
Good morning, friends. What's happening here?
Good morning, teacher. Teacher, I created a calculator program. Can you check it?
This is wonderful, Adi. And see, your comments make it easy to understand your code at a glance. I'm happy with your progress.
Teacher Adi almost forgot the comments.
That's what friends are for, keeping each other on track. Good job, Kaylin.
Teacher, is there any other way to avoid repetitive conversions?
Yes, Eve. Instead of multiple conversions, we used a val inside input like this. This approach is cleaner and reduces the number of variables needed. Well done, Adi.
Thank you, teacher.
We'll follow this method from now on.
Great. I'll share more assignments to improve your logic and coding skills.
Teacher, is Python over?
Not at all. This is just the beginning. We have so much more to explore. See you next time.
Thank you, teacher.
Hey friends, today we learned how to build a simple calculator and the importance of writing clean code with comments. Remember, use eval input to convert input directly to numbers. Adding comments makes code easy to understand. Friends like Kaylin are great for catching mistakes. Now it's your turn. Try creating your own calculator and share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning. See you next time.
Get ready for some fun? Watch the latest Adi and Gogu episode, answer the questions, and you could win an awesome gift hamper. It's super easy. Just watch, think, and compete. So, grab your thinking caps and get ready to play. Stay tuned for the quiz and the chance to win big.